Hi everyone, today I'm going to solve an SS assignment GO19 AC Intro Grader CAP2 Jackson SPA 1.1. In this project description, you will apply skills you practiced from objectives in the SS chapter 1 to 3. You will create a database from the sales manager that contain inventory and supplier information. In addition, you will create queries that answer the specific question relating to inventory items and suppliers from entering and updating information and reports. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start, assess, download and open file name. Save the this file. I have already opened this file. That's our file. Assess CAP2 Jackson Spa. We will move to our second step. Open the CAP2 inventory table in design view. So we will open CAP2 inventory table. That's our table. We will open this one in the design view. That's in the design view. And change the data type to short text. Item ID. We will change this one as a short text. Rename the field ID as a item ID. We will rename this one as a item ID and short text. Continue adding the following field as a short text except for the cost, which should have a currency data type, and quantity, which should have a number data type. So we will add this one as a item name as a short text. What is the other thing? Department. We will add this one also as a short text. And the next thing, cost, which should be a currency data type. We'll make this one as a currency data type. And quantity, what is this data type? That should be a number data type. And supplier ID as a short text. So we have applied this. That's our first step. We will move to our second step. Third step, switch to the data sheet view. Enter the following records in the CAP2 inventory. So we will make this one to data sheet. We will just save the table. What is item ID? Put the item ID in the item ID field. Item name as a hairbrush set. Department as a hair care. Cost 9.99. That's a currency format. Quantity 92 pieces. Supplier ID should be S186. Paste it. And now we need to add a second one. M089. Second edit. Third as a pedicure kit. What is the department? Hands and feet. Cost is 22.59. quantity is 71. What is the ID? Supplier ID as a S133. That's our supplier ID. And that's our third step. In our fourth step, close the table, append a copy of the record from the downloaded CAP inventory worksheet to the CAP inventory table. So we will close this one, save the record, and close this one. What we need to do, append a copy of the record from the downloaded CAP workbook to the inventory table, accept all default in the wizard and don't save the import step. So we will go to the external data. We'll select the data files as Excel. We have here some downloaded files, which one he is asking for inventory. We'll copy this one and paste this one as a in the downloads field. I will paste this one. So we will append this copy with our, here we need to select in the download folder, select CAP2 inventory. We'll select append a copy of the record to the table CAP2 inventory and press OK. And we need to select default. We will go next and finish this one. Don't save the import step and close this one. So it's now appended. What he's saying at the end, verify that there are 24 records. So we will open the table and we will verify that we have 24 tables. You can count these entries. This must be 24. That's our fourth step. Apply the best fit to the alt field and save the and close the table. So we will double click on this to be a best fit. It's now best fit. That's our fourth step. In our five step, what is saying, import the source data from the downloaded supplier workbook into a new table in the current database. In the widgets, click the first contain column heading option and set the primary key as a supplier ID, and click the first row contain column heading option and set the primary key to the supplier ID and name the table as a CAP2 supplier. So we will copy this. We need to close this one. We will go to the external data and we will copy here supplier table and paste this one as in the downloads. We will go to the external source and we will select from Excel. We will select this one as a inventory supplier table. Open this one and select here import the source data into a new table in the current database. Press OK. First row contain the column heading. Select this one. Go, and what he is asking for, set the primary key to supplier ID. So we will select the primary key as a supplier ID. Here you will see we have supplier ID as a primary key. We will select next. We need to make this one table heading as a CAP2 suppliers. Rename this one. Finish and don't save the import steps and close. So we have got our CAP2 suppliers in table here. That's our fifth step. We have total 20 steps in this assignment. I have performed 5 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.